Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we are on M2 Suicide 2 by Butch Massoni, continuing the wonderful suicide maps. Got 5 here, starting with Shit Flows Downhill. Oh, waking up dead, huh? Here we go. I've got a bit of a hang of it. The trick is, I gotta somehow make it back there in time. There we go, to get a vantage point. Now it's just a matter of if I can maintain it. I know it's possible. Just have to get the hang of doing that, because it looks like all the spawn points are back there, so it's kind of like a race. It's one of those race maps. Wouldn't be the first we've encountered. Whether from Butch Massoni or someone else. Yeah, it's kind of got to get pretty far down. Oh, I see a part on the left side that I forgot about before. I still remember a very memorable time, about 5 years ago actually, when I went through pretty much all the suicide maps that would run with Spooky. It's a very memorable night. Took us hours too, like up into the early morning. You stuck with it. And yeah, I think we got through all the ones that would load up and wouldn't just crash upon opening. So of course these are some old files, and the raw nature of the maps I think maybe lends them to crashing, at least on newer systems and platforms. That was a good micro kind of turn dodge thing I did there. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, I didn't think I'd get up to a positive score. Looks like this might actually be the best option. Oh. Didn't know that there's a spawn point there. So it's not entirely stacked at the very beginning there. Suddenly got quiet. Sort of. Okay, that's it for that map. Next up is Hey Fuck It. Okay. I don't think that'll be enough to really help me since it's all rockets anyway. Yeah. I have to reach a certain threshold with the shields in order for it to really add up to anything. I suppose unless I'm dealing with the fist spots, but that's not really how it is here. Man, normally against human players, I'm like a champ at these maps, including with, at least sometimes with players like Douche Tower, who introduced me to them and is, I think is more well versed, maybe more experienced with them than I am. But with the bots in these sorts of situations, you can end up feeling like a total amateur pretty fucking quickly. Okay, so that's at least part of the winning strategy, is to do a lot of these quick glances, possibly even using the glance button, which I pretty much never do. The person I've really seen use the glance button, at least in a deathmatch context, is Sharky Leo, and he does it pretty well. See, it doesn't help that the spawn points are a bit mid-air, so it like takes me a bit to settle down enough that I can really move and get control. Oh hey, low gravity helps. It's one of the situations where forward movement is of the essence, like forward momentum. Because the spaces are so tight and everything. You gotta be as fast as you can, basically. Constantly alert from all angles. Alright, actually done for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will do down the tubes. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.